every now and then a company reaches out to me with something really cool. In this video, I'm building a mechanical moving horse. Whose horse is that? The company Victmax specializes in creating moving puzzles, which are styled as high-end kinetic art. That definitely sparks up conversations. They look great on desks, windows, or right bang in the center of a living room. For full transparency, Victmax sent me this unit to review. All opinions are my own. Inside the box, you get the user manual, a motor, the carbon fiber pieces, and the stainless steel sheets, as well as some decent quality tools to help you along the way. I like that they've included the tools, to be honest. With this puzzle retailing at $89.99, that's dollars by the way, I definitely expect that. You also get the solar power component and the USB-C power option. And last but not least, the horse's head. Anyway, enough rambling. Let's get building. Concentration face game is on point.
You don't have to be, you don't have to be alone. You don't have to be alone right here. Right here, right here. This is something we can fight. Ooh. You just need a brighter guy, you need somebody by your side. Yeah, baby, look no further, it's right here. Ooh, you just need a brighter guy, you need somebody by your side. Yeah, baby, look no further, it's right here, right here, right here, right here, right You don't have to be alone. You don't have to be alone. Right here, right here, right here, right here. It's right here.
So it's built. Little did I realize that this was actually going to take me almost 3 days to complete. 3 days! On the box, it says 3 hours. I clearly was way out of my depth with this project. However, it's complete to the best of my ability, and though I've been quite frustrated from time to time, overall I've really enjoyed the build experience. I can see this being a really cool gift for methodical people. Just make sure whoever you gift this to, they're a patient person and above 16. Thankfully, I passed on both those requirements. It definitely challenged me. Now for the awesome part. You can operate this moving horse with USB-C power or the sunlight. Yes, the sun powers this. How cool is that? Meaning, if one power source goes, you have a backup. I also think the price tag is valid. The materials are of high quality and the overall look and feel is premium. But I want to hear from you. Do you like mechanical puzzles? Are you like myself, who probably should have gone for an easy one, but instead I chose a medium one? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in checking out the Victmax Mechanical Moving Horse, I've left a link in the description below with an exclusive discount. And if you've liked this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more real-world reviews. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.